spent 3 years looking at Impilo Yabantu Besilisa, and I think there are things that I can say that can help someone. First of all, you guys don't have people that take care of you. Build relationships that are going to last. You are chasing fun. And fun is not going to be with you esibhedlela musukula. That for people to love you and take care of you, you have to do the same for them. You being in a hospital and not having anyone who's going to come there as ubona umda. I find a lot of abantu besilisa abadala in their 60s, 50s. Uhlala nobani ekhaya, hayi ngihlala ngedwa. Kwenzakalani? Hayi umakoti wahamba, bathatha ingane wahamba. And then some of you will say, hayi ubufebe. In. I'm not disputing that. But I'm just saying because usize ngilibona mina medical ward, lubuhlungu guys. And what is find someone who's going to take care of you, and also now pour into that woman's life or that guy's life if you're gay. Isn't ngiyibone made ward? It's so sad. Aninabantu nina. Guys, how do you expect a man who's 70 to cook for himself? Of course, this person is not going to cook for himself. I guess I clean it. Like, there are things that he's not going to be able to do well. But there's a lot of men that I see in their 60s, in their 70s. Uhlala yedwa, ugogo, it's either washona, zahambi ingane. Sometimes genzeka ukuthi ingane zisilela elahla abantu abadala. Man who was very old. Apparently but he was not present empilweni yengane. Ingane yaba successful, like nje ubhuti is well established. But I think at some point they did reconcile. Abobazama pick up, but ububona indlela yakhe efika ngayo guys. He did not have that thing ukuthi yo ubaba like you yabona umuntu ohleze efikelwa every day uhlapha ufuna ukukhuluma nomndeni, hayi usisi mhlawumbe usisi wakhe akhomba usisi wakhe omdala, hayi mina ngifuna ukusayina, kuthiwa uyosayina umalume naye hayi akekho usegoli kuthiwa kusayina, akanamuntu lo muntu. Now I do have in mind ukuthi there are factors that will play a role. Mali, is it all because of that, or is it because Nina sometimes you have fun so much so that you guys forget along the way with haibo in your 70s uhlala wedwa? Who do you talk to? Uvukseni nayiphekela. That should be njengokubona indoda ena 49 ena 50 usawubathe ufuna umuntu ozoyisayinela, ayinamakoti osisi bakogolo, osisi base Free State, ayinamuntu indoda. Like akunamuntu uyibuza uthi lo muntu ngobe lapho uthola ukuthi uyagula guys, umuntu usupport included. You guys need support. But who's going to support you if you guys are not looking for stable relationships and pour yourself kulama relationships and stop chasing fun? Because fun is... There's a guy last week, wakhala, literally cried tears. He's 30 something. Ukhala ngokuthi osisi bakhe noma wakhe abezi ukuzombona. Probably mhlawumbe the sisters are university, they are working. Where your family are the people that you choose from the outside, not but now they're creating their own families outside. Yeah, about this. He literally cried tears. He's 33.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangidokotela usend message kumadoda beyasho nje ukuthi madoda aspenda isikhathi sawo lesininye asikhathi sawo basasebasha basase youth, umuntu angakhi relationship le stable, angabi nemfadi, athi masekakhulile ayesekagula kasanabani uyatiphekelwa ti ayinela uthi into la ibonako emsebenzini wakhe la sebenza khona, because usebenza ngemadoda uthi kubhlungu uthola indoda ayinabani idemulo toyichecka ayinalutho, ubone nje ukuthi kulisiza umve umuntu athi sesiwami namakwami so labafiki kudongibona uthi ambuka umuntu nabo 40 nabo 50 mdzala umuntu sengibaba utibude ukuthi hayibo uphi mfati umuntu akutshela istory. It's because madoda masasenesikhathi ngokuthi akhe ama-relationships la stable abe nebafati abhizi afuna ukugijimisa apho bangani afuna ukugijimisa tshwala afuna ukugijimisa tindo nje leti off. uma sebakhulile sengilaba bona khona ukuthi umfati uyadzingeka akasanamfati umuntu impilo yakhe seyabhedza akasanabani lo seceleni kwakhe thokuthi bosesi wakhe basetikoleni thokuthi lo mnyama wakhe sowashona uyasho nje ukuthi kulisiza into la ibona emsebentini wakhe bafati abekho madoda athi iphilela udwane because umuntu wahluleka kwenda kahle asase emusha sowukhulile nyalo suyagula kasanaba nokumnaka because ngesikhathi sakhe sokuthi bekumele abe committed ku relationship athole umfati endeni bekabhizi ngezinto leti ngamsidi ngalutho. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.